Hello, Rose.
Hello.
Hi. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Rose.
Happy
It's
New Year,
it is
teacher.
already 2026. Are you happy?
Yes.
Yeah. Honey, did you celebrate the New Year?
Yes.
Yes. How did you celebrate it? How did you celebrate the New Year?
I don't know.
Me, I celebrated the New Year, honey, just here at home. Oh, what happened?
I don't at home.
Ah, you didn't celebrate the New Year at home? Ah, how did you celebrate it? Okay. Teacher's going to share the translation, Rose. Okay.
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 Oh,
How did a New Year?
Bạn đã đón năm mới như thế nào?
Yeah. How did you celebrate it?
I go to the coffee.
You went to the cafe?
Yes.
Wow. And what did you eat there? What did you eat there, honey? Honey? What are you doing?
Uh,
What are you doing? Okay. Honey, I just only stayed at home. Yeah, I only stayed at home here for New Year. Ah, hello, mommy.
no.
Good evening. Okay. Anyway, honey, teacher is now going to share the screen, okay? And we're going to
Okay.
continue with our lesson. Ready? Yes, I.
Yes, I am.
Very good. Yes, I am. Okay, teacher is now going to share the screen. Let's go now. Dang, da-da-da. Are you using a laptop, honey?
Oh, yes.
Oh, I thought you're using
Hey,
a
teacher.
tablet. Yes.
Teacher, do you like my homework?
Yes, I really liked it. It's so good. You made it so good, honey. I really like it. Hmm. Hmm. Do you want to have another homework, honey? Do you want to make another homeworks or lots of homeworks?
I
Yeah?
like homework.
You like homeworks. Okay, tonight teacher's going to give you homework, okay? I am going to give you a homework and you're going to record yourself again through video, okay?
Okay. Oh no.
Okay. So anyway,
I can
honey,
use a I can use a pencil.
yeah, you can use a pencil now.
No, I
You can.
can't.
You can. Actually, you can, honey. I didn't do
No, I
anything.
can't. I
Why not?
can't.
Why not?
This is
Are
a
you...
new computer. I
Ah,
don't know this.
it's a new computer. You can ask mommy. You can ask mommy. You can ask for help from mommy, honey.
Okay.
Yeah, you tell mommy, I can't write. Can you help me? Yeah, something like that.
Okay.
You ask help from mommy.
Hey, teacher. Today is my grandma birthday.
Oh, today is my grandma's birthday. Oh, wow. Did she celebrate there? Is your grandma right there?
Yes, she is very fun.
Oh, it's so fun to have your grandma right there. Did you give her a present?
Yes.
Oh, what is the present that you gave to your grandma?
My mom buy, but I
Ah,
can't see it.
you ask your grandma. You say, "Grandma, what did my mommy give to you?" Yeah, you ask her. Maybe it's a bag. Maybe it's a lipstick. Maybe it's a T-shirt. Did you,
No,
honey,
it's
honey?
it's
Hey,
not
hey,
close.
hey, Rose. Did you greet your grandma, honey? Did you say happy birthday, grandma? Did you tell her
Yes.
that?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then, yes. Do you want to say something?
I really love my
Grandma?
grand-
Ah, grandpa.
grandma.
Why? Your grandma, honey. Why? Why do you love your grandma? Can you tell teacher why you love grandma, honey? Can you tell me why you love grandma? Why is it?
My grandma is giving me meal very, very, very yummy food.
Wow! Your grandma gives you yummy, yummy, yummy food? Really? Whoa! I see, honey. And you really, 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 really love your grandma and grandpa because of that. Yeah? Oh, you should say thank you to them all the time, okay? Do you say thank you, grandma, for making me yummy food? Do you do
Yes.
that? Yes, you should do that. Okay, me, honey, I only have one grandma. How about you? How many grandmas do you have?
I have two grandmas.
Oh, from your mother and from your father, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, I only have one grandma, and it's from my father's side. Yeah, I don't have grandma from my mother's side anymore.
Why?
She's now in heaven. She's now up there. She's now up there. She's not here anymore. Yeah, she's not here anymore, honey. Anyway, my dear, we are now going to continue with our activity, okay? We're going to
Okay.
continue with our activity, and teacher's going to um play the audio. You're going to listen, ask, and then answer. And then let's practice. Okay? We are almost done with this one, honey. After finishing this, we're going to have lesson 2, okay?
Teacher,
Yes.
the boy number 1, I don't see he like his food.
You don't see you can't see the food? Really?
No, you, T, T.
What?
I can't see, but because you is it. You is
I am
in it.
really?
Yes, you
Hold
can
on.
this. You can write this.
Honey, it's only you. You can move it. Yeah. I can't move it,
What?
honey. I cannot move it. Only you who can move it.
No,
Yeah.
I don't see I.
Really? You can see yourself? Ask mommy. Ask mommy, honey.
Mom, mẹ ơi. Con mới thấy con.
Hả?
Con mới thấy con. Nó có
Không cần
con.
thấy, không cần.
Bình thường có con bên đây nè.
Rồi bây giờ không cần làm bài là được.
Nhưng mà cô thấy mất cái này.
Cái gì? Chứ cô biểu làm gì? Nghe. Nghe và trả lời là chọn hình thôi mà.
Rồi là con. Trả lời.
Is it okay now?
No.
Oh, I think that's because of your app, honey. Your application, your Zoom. Yeah.
Biết cái này.
Is it okay now?
Nhưng mà lỡ có Facebook sao báo biết. Học là phải cầm cái bút quá mẹ.
Con ơi, một số là con ăn rồi.
Ui, được rồi. Okay, it's okay.
It's okay now? Okay. All right. And you can write it now. You can write using your pen now, yeah? Can you write?
Wait.
Okay.
Sao có viết được cơ?
Okay, let's start now, honey. Shall we start now?
Ồ.
Okay.
Hai cái hả?
Okay, yeah. Okay, let's go now, honey. Teacher's going to share the audio now. You listen, okay?
Okay.
Page 25. D. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
What do you want?
I want soup.
What does he want?
He wants soup.
What does she want?
She wants soup. 1.
Okay, let's have number 1,
Do
honey.
you want?
Okay, number 1, honey. What do you want? I want.
soup.
Okay, let's see the answer.
I want soup.
Very good. Now let's have number 2.
2.
What do you want? I want
What do you want for number 2? What do you want?
one fries.
Very good. Fries? Okay, let's hear and let's listen to the answer.
French fries. French fries.
Yeah, so one more time. I want French fries.
I want French fries.
Very good. Okay, let's have the next one.
3.
3.
What does he want?
What does he want? Number 3.
He wants egg.
Very good. He wants eggs. Very good. Let's see.
Wants eggs.
Yes. 4.
He
4.
wants eggs. What does she want?
What does she want? Number 4. She wants.
He
She-
wants.
It's a
She
girl.
wants egg.
Very. Steak. Okay, let's see.
She wants steak.
Very good. She wants steak. Okay, now let's move forward to number 5. Let's go to number 5.
5.
What does he want?
What does he want? He wants.
He wants
Spaghetti. Yeah. Again.
spaghetti.
Yeah. One more time. He wants spaghetti.
He
Can you
wants
say that?
spaghetti.
Very good. He wants spaghetti. Now let's have number 6. Let's go to number 6, honey. Okay, for number 6, let's listen to the audio.
He wants spaghetti.
Okay, yeah. Your answer is correct, honey.
6.
What does she want?
What does she want?
salad. She wants salad.
Yes, very good, honey. Your answers are all correct. Now let's move forward to this one. What do you want? Encircle the correct answer, honey. What do you want? I want. Can you encircle the correct answer?
Yes,
Please.
and
Okay. Put a tick. Put a tick. Yay! Where is it? Okay, yay! Very good. You got the correct answer. Next one. What do you want? Do you want? I want. You put a
Oh.
tick too.
what?
You put
Do
a
you
tick
can-
too.
Do you can you see me?
Yes, I can see you.
Mẹ ơi. Mẹ ơi.
You may call your mom, honey. You can say mommy. It's okay.
Con như này kia. Nó sao rồi?
Nó bị sao vậy? Vẫn nghe tiếng cô mà.
Nhưng mà nó sao sao? Sai ấp thử rồi.
Sao lại
What
chọn
happened?
tiếng cô mà.
Cái này có. Ê, con. Đừng có liếc mít đi nha. Ok. Sorry.
What happened, honey? What happened?
Today my computer is not good.
Oh, so should we continue the class or not? Should we continue the class, honey, or not? Should we end the class now?
Yes.
Okay. All right, honey. So we are going to meet again next week, okay? Okay. All right, we're going
Okay.
again on Thursday. Bye-bye. Happy birthday to Grandma. Happy birthday, Grandma. Bye-bye. Love you, Rose.